Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the DV6. This is easily one of my absolute favorite sabers to come out this year. I can't say enough good things about it. Mainly the build and usability of it is just absolutely incredible. If you get this with an ECO chassis like this one, I mean, it's just a real easy time and enjoyable for the experience of using a lightsaber. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the DV6. You can pick these up at the Saber Armory or Corbanth, sabers.com. These things are really nice. I did a demo install for Cal on one of these and just needed one, and they sold out real quick on his store. I think he has two right now, but I had a good opportunity to grab one of these, and I definitely jumped on it. So this one went right into the personal collection without any questions asked. But I would still love to review it as I didn't have the opportunity. These are awesome because the saber really was manufactured as a graflex originally, and then all of the holes were obviously drilled in preparation for the DV6. But you can see the inspiration of the graflex for the Return of the Jedi Vader hilt. And what's nice is the way this is constructed, the prop is like horribly put together and massively beat up. And this is such a nice finish. But you can cock this activation box a little bit to the right, kind of get the accuracy there from the real prop, as this was not straight. And these grips are rubber. So it's a beautifully made hilt. The anodizing is just one step over the edge. You know, I just think it came out absolutely stunning. And the best part about this saber is that you don't need any tools to use it. So you have a thumb screw right here, which is actually your blade retention screw. So this holds a 1-inch blade, and yeah, I honestly love that feature. You can unscrew the bottom grips, and then this is an ECO Chassis by Goth 3D Designs, so just the bare bones, but it just comes out completely. And I have this installed with a stock Custom Works NPXL V3, 2 tactile switch PCB Proffieboard V3, 18650 high amp kill switch, and a 31mm bass speaker. This thing is freaking wild. So to turn it on, you just flip the kill switch to the right.
Indeed, you are powerful, as the Emperor has foreseen.
This font is Father by Kyberphonics, and this more specifically is the Return of the Jedi font. But power is the top, auxiliary is the bottom, and these are your actuation switches. So it turns on.
If you will not fight, then you will meet your destiny. Obi-Wan has taught you well.
Really, really nice saber. This video is going to be so short because, check it out, when I'm done with it, just leave the chassis in there and put it back up for display after turning off the kill switch. So really awesome saber. I just like use it for testing pixels as I'm installing them into other sabers and making sure, you know, everything is working fun and dandy. And yeah, so this is now my test saber. So without further ado, let's just end the video. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome installs like this one. It may be simple, but it's definitely a lot of fun to handle still. It doesn't have to always be beautiful on the inside, right? So that was a nice quick video. If you are looking to get any KRSaber products installed, I have them readily available on my website, www.sabersforever.com. If you don't see a install service available on my website, like something for Corbanth or Roman props maybe, I am more than happy to help you out. Just send me an email at john@sabersforever.com. Any inquiries really can be sent there, and I will definitely get back to you ASAP. So I hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm putting out, and until the next time, guys, may the Force be with you.